Most traders sit in front of their computer for hours, glued to the screen, waiting for the perfect entry. But what if I told you an AI could do that for you? From spotting the entry, marking it on the chart, and opening the position the second it happens. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated MACD trading strategy without watching a single chart, without knowing how to code, and without paying some random Discord bot $500 a month. And at the end, I'll show you exactly how I turn this into a fully agentic bot, built completely from scratch, that alerts me and executes the trade the second it's ready. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, step number 1, sign up for an exchange. For this strategy, we're going to be using MACD. This is one of my main exchanges for derivatives trading, and they're offering some insane bonuses right now. If MACD is not available in your country, you can use Bybit as an alternative. These two are some of the known changes in the crypto space. I'll link both down below, but for this video, we'll be using MACD. To sign up to MACD and claim up to 10,000 USDT in bonuses, click the link at the top of the description. You'll be taken to the sign up page where you simply enter your details and create an account. Account creation on both platforms literally takes under 2 minutes. Step 2 is depositing funds. Let me show you how to deposit funds before we jump into the strategy. Once you're logged into MACD, click Deposit in the top right corner, then click On-Chain Deposit. Choose the coin you want to deposit. I recommend USDT, and select the correct blockchain network. Make sure you choose the right network to avoid losing your funds. Confirm the details, then scan the QR code or copy the deposit address to transfer your funds from your wallet or another exchange. If you want to deposit used in fiat currency, click Buy Crypto at the top of the menu and select Quick Buy Sell. Choose your currency, enter the amount, select your payment method, and click Confirm. Once your funds are deposited, it's time to open a position. Step number 3 is opening your first position. Click Futures in the top menu, then select USDT-M Futures. This will take you to the trading interface. Choose the asset you want to trade in the upper left corner. For this example, I'll use BTC USDT. Select your order type, limit, or market. For beginners, I recommend starting with market orders for instant execution. Enter your trade details such as quantity and price. Next, choose your leverage type. You can use cross margin or isolated margin. Personally, I use isolated margin because it limits your risk to only that specific position. You can use up to 500 times leverage on MACD. But for beginners, I recommend starting with 10 times to 20 times leverage until you're comfortable. Confirm your order details, then click Open Long or Open Short to open your position. Once your order is filled, you can view it under the Positions tab at the bottom of the screen. Now that you know how to use derivatives on MACD, let's move on to the actual strategy that can make you $100 per day. With this strategy, we're going to use the MACD indicator on TradingView, and let's take a quick look at that. Head over to TradingView. I'll have the link in the description if you need it. Once you're on TradingView, search for the crypto pair you're trading. For this example, I'll use Bitcoin. Now, the key thing to keep in mind is that the MACD allows you to identify trends in the market. This means that you can see whether prices are going up or down and make informed decisions about when to enter or exit a trade. With a little bit of practice, you can use the MACD to make some serious profits by trading crypto. And if you're following along with MACD or Bybit using my link, you're already setting yourself up for success with those bonuses. Let me show you now how to use the MACD. All you need to do is go to Indicators at the top of TradingView and type in MACD. Simple as that. You'll see 2 lines, orange and blue, and across the bottom, a histogram. The histogram can flip negative or positive, and that's the easiest way to understand it. Whenever the orange line crosses above the blue line, it's a signal to enter a short position. When the blue line crosses over the orange line, it's a signal to go long. Let me show you a simple way to identify a short position on a Bitcoin chart. Just look for a MACD bearish cross, indicated by the orange line going above the blue line, and they flip to bearish on the histogram, along with red candlesticks. Once you spot these indicators, it's time to enter the trade. Check out this example trade where you could have made a good profit with this MACD strategy. Now I'm going to tell you about a potential long position. Check out this MACD chart. The blue line is directly above the orange line, and the histogram has turned green. That's a positive bullish sign, so it's a perfect time to make your trade. You need to set a stop loss or wait until you see a bearish cross on the MACD to exit. You can spot the bearish cross on the chart and just let it run until you make your profits. So now you understand exactly how this strategy works manually. But here's where it gets really interesting. Instead of watching charts all day and doing this manually, I gave this exact strategy to Claude and asked it to write me a full Pine script. So TradingView can automatically detect these signals for me. And this is the prompt I use. I'm going to show it on screen right now so you can copy it exactly. That's it. That's the full prompt. You paste that into Claude. I'm using Claude Code here. And within seconds, it spits out a complete working Pine script in a notepad file. Now, this exact prompt, along with the Pine script used in this video, is available in my private group. You can find the link down below. Once Claude is done, you will see a notepad file appear with the full Pine script inside. Open that file, press Ctrl+A to select all of the code, then Ctrl+C to copy it. That's everything you need. Now let's get it into TradingView. Open TradingView and go to any chart. I'll use Bitcoin again. At the bottom right of the screen, click on the Pine Editor tab. Once the editor is open, you'll see some default code in there. Just select all of it, delete it, and paste in this Pine script code. Now click Add to Chart. That's the button at the top of the Pine Editor. TradingView will compile the script and apply it directly to your chart. And there it is. You can see the buy and sell signals automatically plotted right on the candles. Green triangles for longs, red triangles for shorts, everything firing exactly the way we set it up manually. But the best part, you can see the performance of this strategy. Click on Strategy Tester, and you can see the complete backtest data showing you exactly how profitable this strategy would have been over time. Now, if you open that strategy tester and you don't like what you see, maybe the win rate isn't high enough, or that equity curve isn't moving straight up the way you want it to, don't stress. That is completely normal. Every market condition is different, and this is where you turn this into your own personal strategy. All you have to do is refine it. Go back to Claude and update your prompt. Tell it, hey, add a 200 EMA filter so we only take longs when the price is above it, or add an RSI condition to make sure we aren't buying when the market is overbought. Just feed those changes right back to Claude, copy the new code, paste it into your editor, and hit save. Keep repeating that process, tweaking the indicators and rules until you watch that equity curve start climbing. You're basically building a custom trading bot on autopilot without knowing how to code a single line yourself. Now, once you've dialed it in and you're ready to set up alerts so you never miss a move, click the alarm clock icon at the top of TradingView or right-click one of the signal shapes. Select Add Alert and set your conditions. TradingView will notify you the moment a signal fires, straight to your phone. So instead of staring at the screen for hours waiting for a cross, the code is doing all the heavy lifting for you. The moment all your conditions line up perfectly, boom, you get an alert, you execute, and you're done. Now, if you want to take this even further and have a trade open automatically on your exchange the moment a signal fires, I've got you covered. I put together a private group where I share all of my use cases for Claude Code, from integrating it with Telegram, TradingView, and searching for whales on Hyperliquid. All automatically. Everything I showed you today, it's all inside the group. And I'm constantly adding new stuff, new strategies, new prompts, new integrations. Every time I build something new, it goes straight in there. The price is $79.99 a month. And honestly, when you think about what this actually is, the most cutting-edge AI trading setup available to retail traders right now, constantly updated with everything included. Inside, there is also a full agentic trading course, 2.5 hours, beginner to expert, no coding background needed. By the end of it, you will have your own AI trading system running live, something most retail traders do not even know is possible right now. $79.99 a month. One good trade covers it. And the first 100 members lock in that rate permanently. After that, the price goes up. The link is in the description. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. And that's it, guys. That's how you take a simple strategy from the internet, hand it to Claude, get a working Pine script in TradingView, and refine it to make your own. No coding, no manual chart watching. If you want to see a full demo of how I trade using only my Telegram, the full demo of all use case on TradingView, and how I track the biggest trades of whales on Hyperliquid automatically, click the video popping on screen right now. And if you want the full step-by-step guide on how to build your own agentic trading system using Claude, that video is popping up on screen as well. Go and check that out next. If you found this useful, leave a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.